Family, I'm not gonna lie to you, fam. I woke up a little discouraged this morning. I've been up for a while now. And I'm outside this gas station, and this brother right here, his name is Mr. Fred. I didn't know his name was Mr. Fred until a few seconds ago. But I've been watching him out here cleaning up the parking lot for the couple women that's in there working. He tell them, y'all ain't got to clean it up. I'm going to take care of this for you. And they said he do it religiously. Come out here and take care of the parking lot, and all he wants is a little coffee and something to eat, and they look out for him. And he homeless, family. He homeless. And this morning, fam, I was up thinking, it's so easy for us to slip and fall and be in the same position as Mr. Fred. Life can hit us so hard. Well, we can be like Mr. Fred. So don't get beside yourself and think when you're up, you can't be down. And when you're down, you can't get back up.